In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a Gmail account on your computer step-by-step guide. It's free, it's easy, and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. So you open your browser on your computer. It's either you go to the right hand side of your browser and see Gmail, you click on that. Or alternatively, you can just type www.gmail.com. It opens. Then you can see here, create an account. You click on that. For my personal use, for my work or business, it's either you choose anyone. You can choose for your personal use, you can choose for your work or business. So I want to create a personal account, so I click on for my personal use. Then you put your first and your last name. Your last name is optional though, but we'll input that. Let's go with then when you're done with that, you click next. Then you include your month and your year of birth and your day, your month, day and year of birth. So going with this. Then include your gender. Then click on next. Then Google will give you available Gmail address for you, or you can create your own. You can see here, create your own Gmail address, or they'll bring out available Gmail address for you. So let's go with this first one. Next, so you input a strong password. You can mix them with letters and all these and other things. You can mix them with that. Then next. So they ask you for, you can add a recovery email address, the one they can use to recover your email if you've forgotten the password or something. You can add a recovery email address. You can also skip it, so you're not into this for now. You can skip. If you can add any of if you have any other email that you can use, or maybe your relative, your friend, you can input it here in case you forget your password. You can put that recovery email and they will send the password to that email. So I'm going to skip this for now. Skip. Then see, review your account info, press next. Then you read Google's terms, privacy and terms condition. So I think I'm done with that. Then you agree. Email address is ready, so you can put other things. You can put other things later, other security, your phone number, and the rest of the stuff. So that is how to create a Gmail account